Nike basketball is set to spark nostalgia in 2026 as it brings back Paul George's first signature shoe, the Nike PG1, including the fan-favorite Flip the Switch colorway from 2017. While the brand continues to shine with stars like Morant and Sabrina Ionescu, sneaker fans are hyped for this retro return. Designed by Tony Hardman, the PG1 comes dressed in a striking mix of black, deep royal blue, photo blue, blue fury, and hyper-violet, with vibrant accents on the strap, midsole, swoosh, and tongue branding. As Paul George enters the later stage of his NBA career, and with many young players still admiring his two-way style, the revival of his debut sneaker feels perfectly timed. Expect the reissued Flip the Switch PG1 to drop on Nike.com by fall 2026, making it a must-watch release for hoop fans and sneaker collectors.